Hello. In this recording, we will be covering how to request shifts for clinicians to pick up through the client facility portal. First, we will log in using the username and password you set up upon creating your facility portal account. Once we have logged in, you will be directed to the facility portal dashboard. Here we have a few different options from looking at the shifts below, but for creating a new shift, we will look for the New Shift button in the top left-hand corner of our screen. If you are not seeing this in your dashboard, please reach out to the account manager and career staff to have this access granted to your account. Once we find this button, we will click this to receive our pop-up to enter the details of the shift. Starting in the top left-hand corner, we have the facility. Here you will enter the name of your facility that you want to request a shift for. Next, we will enter the certification that we are needing the shift for. Adjust the job date as needed. It will always populate to the current date, so if this is a shift for the future, click into this to open the calendar to request a different date. Select the specialty needed. You may see more than this, but make sure you select the correct specialty because this will allow the clinicians to see only the shifts that match their specialties. Below, we have our default shifts. This will just be the shift time. If there is a special shift time or you need to make an adjustment to the dropdown, you will be able to do so under the start and end time over here on the right. After selecting the default shift, the rest will autofill. For example, if I needed to make an adjustment here, you can type in that adjustment. Next, we have our quantity. This is where you can manipulate the amount of shifts you schedule from just one box here. For example, if we utilize this quantity dropdown along with the one next to it, these correlate with one another. For example, if I chose 5 under the quantity and kept it at same day, this would then schedule 5 shifts for the 7th for 7A to 3P. If you need to change any of this, then you will have to create a new shift and make those differences there. There are some other options as well as under quantity. With that being consecutive days. With this selection, it would then schedule 5 consecutive days starting at the 7th. So it would schedule the 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, and 11th. Then we have consecutive weeks. Notice how when I select this, we have a little calendar pop up below. So if I selected Monday through Thursday, it would then schedule 1 shift on each one of these days selected for 5 consecutive weeks. Last, and our personal favorite, is the specific dates. Again, please keep in mind with all of these, it will be duplicating what you have selected above from the default shift. But for these specific dates, you can select this and open up a calendar. Here, you can select whatever specific dates you would like to schedule those on. For now, we will do same day and keep the quantity at 1 for this example. If you need to leave any notes, please do so below. Please keep in mind that this will show up on the clinician's end within their workforce portal. After you have all the necessary information filled out, you can then save shift. To view all of your open shifts, you can do so by either going to the Shifts tab. This will then show a pop-up for you to utilize the fields to search there, or for a shortcut, here in the dashboard, you can click Open Shifts. This will show all the open shifts, and if there is any request, you will notice that it will say restricted, but that at least allows you to see what specific shifts have been requested from a temp or a clinician. To make any adjustments or to view any more details about this, the shift number will open up exactly what you have created. You do have the access to void this, or if you need to, edit it. If you have any questions on this process, please reach out to your account manager at Career Staff for more questions. Thank you very much. Have a great day.